Hello members, by name Zovoyet Isaac. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Excel. We're going to talk about the terms used. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Let's first go and see how the application looks like. So this is how our Microsoft Excel application looks like. It is mainly used for manipulating numbers and figures. Basically, that's what it's used for. This here is called formula bar. Then right here, this is what we call a name box. So we're going to talk about the basic terms used. So one of the terms I'm going to talk about is a cell. A cell is an individual box where data is entered. So this here is a cell. It's an intersection of a column and a row. What's a row? A row is a horizontal series of cells. These right here, these are rows. These are rows. A row is a horizontal series of cells. Now each of these are cells. Now what's a column? A column is a vertical series of cells. So these are the cells in a row, in a column, labeled from 1 to infinity. Then here, these are rows. This is a row having cells labeled A to Z. Then we have a worksheet. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet within an Excel file. Yes, a worksheet is a single spreadsheet within an Excel file. What of a workbook? A workbook is an Excel file containing one or more worksheets. Okay, a workbook is an Excel file containing one or more worksheets. Then a formula bar. This is where we write the mathematical formula problem. Here. So this is where we write our formula. So what's a formula? A formula is a mathematical expression used to calculate values. Now what of a function? A function is a pre-built formula performing specific calculations. For example, the sum, you can say equals sum this, sum that, then also average. That's what I meant by a function. Then there are also other terms, like for example data range. A data range is a selected group of cells. Then there's also what we call a data set. That set is a collection of related data. Then a record. A record is a single row of data. That's a record. It's a single row of data. Then also we have what we call a field. A field is a single column of data. Then filter hides or shows data based on conditions. Then there's what we call sort. Sort is an arrangement of data in alphabetical or numerical order. Then there's also what we call a pivot table. It helps to summarize, analyze. To summarize and analyze large data assets. A pivot table helps to summarize and analyze large data sets. That's what I meant to say. So that's basically, those are the main terms that we use in Microsoft in this application spreadsheets. Nothing we're going to talk about in Microsoft Excel, the formulas and functions. We have different formulas. We have a positive sign, negative sign, which is probably addition and subtraction. Then we have a slash. How can I show you? Here. So probably sorry about that. So as I was saying, we have signs like we can have a positive sign, we can have a slash, which means division. We can have equal, greater, or less than, equal or greater than, or less or equal to. Yeah, so there are very many functions. Then we have what we call logic functions, the if, and, or, and not. Then we have text functions. We have the basically we can see that in we shall look at that in our next video, where we shall fully go into details about the Microsoft Excel, how we tabulate numbers, how we create stuff. Yeah, basically that is it. Thank you so much for listening to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.